Okay, so pay attention. This is how you trade your Avive. This is how you sell your Avive. Go to your OKX. The trading is already live. You can see it here. So go to your OKX and go to your wallet section. The wallet section and tap here. Okay. All right. So this is the trading view for Avive on OKX. This is it here. OKX/USDT. So you tap on this trade button below, tap on trade. All right, then tap on sell. This is the sell here. Tap on sell, then slide this. You see this thing? Slide it up to 100%. Slide it up to 100%. So I am currently in a loss. I have $133 before, so right now I have $117. Okay, so I'm going to change this here now to market, so I can sell now. I'll switch to markets. Okay, market order. Then I'll slide this to 100% again. Okay, then I'll click on sell Avive. So what I'm going to be, the profit I'm going to be making here is $124. Okay, the all-time high is currently 0.15. Okay, let me see if you can still go up a little bit so I can place my trade. Hold on, this is the market price here, but I can go ahead and take profit right now. So I'm going to click on this sell button now to sell. Okay, sell. Then don't show this next time. Confirm. Order has been placed. So I'll go over to my wallet now. So in my wallet I have a total sum of $109. $109. So this is sharp cash out. So $109. If you go to my calculator and calculate $109 times 1,000 naira, that is a total of 109,000 naira. So this is what I made from Avive. Okay, so I just taught you how you can spot trade your Avive. You're welcome. Follow for more videos like this.